Cost optimization in AWS. As a developer associate. As an AWS certified developer associate, I must master cost optimization. It is vital to deliver efficient, scalable apps while controlling cloud costs. AWS has many services and pricing models, so developers must cut costs without hurting performance or reliability. Understanding AWS pricing models. AWS provides diverse pricing plans that alter cloud expenditure rates. This covers on-demand, reserved instances, spot instances, and savings plans. Optimizing storage costs. AWS has various storage options, like S3, EBS, and Glacier. Each has a different pricing structure. Amazon EBS. To cut EBS costs, choose the right volume type. For your app, use a general-purpose SSD, provisioned IOPS SSD, or a magnetic disk. Conduct periodic surveys of EBS volumes and snapshots to cut costs. Right-sizing and auto-scaling. Right-sizing means picking the right instance types and sizes for your workloads. It should meet performance and cost needs. Auto-scaling. Use AWS auto-scaling to adjust the number of EC2 instances based on demand. It stops over-provisioning in low traffic and scales up in peaks to keep performance. You can configure auto-scaling for various AWS services. These include EC2, ECS, and DynamoDB. Track instance usage and install adjustments as needed. This will balance cost and performance. Use auto-scaling to maintain efficiency during changing workloads. Leveraging spot instances and spot fleets. Spot fleets. AWS spot fleets help keep your app available. They use a mix of on-demand and spot instances. You can set strategies to diversify your spot instances. Use many instance types and availability zones to reduce interruptions. Spot instances are best for tasks that can pause and resume. These include batch processing and data analysis. When combined with spot fleets, you can further optimize costs while maintaining availability. Monitoring and cost management tools. AWS Cost Explorer. Use Cost Explorer to visualize your costs and usage patterns over time. This tool helps you identify cost trends, detect anomalies, and forecast future spending. AWS budgets. Set custom budgets to check your costs and usage. AWS budgets can alert you if your spending exceeds set limits. This lets you take action before costs get too high. AWS CloudWatch. Use CloudWatch to track your AWS resources and apps in real time. Set up alarms to alert you when resource usage is too high. This enables prompt action to block excessive expenditures. Conclusion. In conclusion, cost optimization in AWS is a critical skill for any developer associate. You can cut cloud costs without losing performance or reliability. To do this, learn AWS pricing models. Then, optimize your storage and compute resources. Use spot instances and AWS's monitoring tools. Regularly monitor and review your AWS environment. This will help you avoid cost overruns. It will also keep your app scalable and cost-efficient. Use these strategies to maximize your AWS investment.